Hey all! Today I'm going to show you some colorful and beautiful clay art. Welcome to Sparklebox. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. And do visit our website mysparklebox.com to find some interesting and creative educational kit options. Now, without further delay, let's get started with our today's colorful clay art. Fun to make. If you want me to try any DIYs, let me know in the comment section below. I'll give it a try. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, let's stay connected with Sparklebox.